Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the app icon size on your iPhone. If your icons look too big or too large, this quick setting adjustment can make your screen much more comfortable to use. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open the settings on your iPhone. Once you are inside, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of display and brightness. When you are inside the display and the brightness option, you just have to simply look for the option of the display zoom, which is the last option that you see here in this page. In the display zoom, it is going to show you the default text layout and the larger text layout. So if you select the zoomed option, your icons, the text and the interface elements will appear larger. So this is helpful if you prefer bigger visuals or find smaller icons hard to tap. If you choose the default option, everything returns to the default size, which fits more content on your screen. So after selecting your preferred view, you just have to tap on the done option on the top right hand corner of the screen, and your iPhone will ask for the confirmation for this and briefly restart the display. So once your screen reloads, you will notice the new icon size immediately. This setting doesn't just affect the icons, it also changes the menus, the texts and the overall layout of your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.